6 men and 1 woman.
Hey, madmen, bro.
Charlie, yeah, we not be easy. We tired for football. All still we are that we are.
In Egypt.
In Egypt, 2009.
How are you going to find 7 madmen and a mad woman?
No, thank you, my brother, man. Jordan called me and called Zakuku. Zakuku called me, Langabe. Charlie, this task is hard task. How can we get, man, this place is not our country. Me and Zakuku with the go. With the go, no, then my eye enter some madman. Zakuku, Charlie, kone. Then Zagogo we make like we this go there no Zagogo give him. Then we make salaka.
Yeah,
We
right.
Zagogo give him bread and something. Then we go.
Then you roam.
Charlie, we roam. Charlie. That match, we in Brazil match, I'm telling you.
The final?
We in the final match, I'm telling you. No be small thing. And the day out there tired. I say, oh Zagogo, Charlie. Jordan, kind of madman. Why can we get woman? No, but we try, we get 7, we get 6. The last one be woman. We work. You see the place where
Ismailia or Cairo?
It's
Cairo.
Cairo.
You see our 2006
Yeah.
the hotel where we go.
Yeah, that is Novotel.
That's it.
We go sleep.
The Novotel
Yeah.
where we go sleep.
Yeah.
Charlie. With the part, I tell this guy, Zagogo, I mean, this hotel, we can't sleep there before we walk. Let us pass that place. And before we go, no, the bus stop, no, there's a woman he conceive. He mad. We are telling Zagogo, this is the woman. Mami, no, down, show me. See, Langabe, are you sure? I said, Zagogo, let's go and see something. No, one guy they pass, we agree time. I said, we want to dash this woman something. He said, this woman be crazy. I said, Zagogo, far.
So what did you give the woman?
We give the woman money and bread.
She didn't throw it back at you?
No. Immediately, you know, Zagogo here,
Arab.
Yeah, Arabic.
when you go, no, they speak Arab for the woman. We give the tea to them. They will make everything. Then we count on, then we cause Jordan. Jordan say, are you settled? We say, we finish. Okay. When we finish this one, there's another one too you are going to do. That one I won't tell you.
You won't tell me.
Yes.
It's too much.
If I will tell you, it's
Private,
but it's not in the system way, man, right? So many things we cannot say it. When we do that one too, and the man told us that the match we are going to play, Jordan Anagba father himself, he came to Egypt. Yeah. You know the sea.
He's blind?
The man is blind.
So he came there physically
Well,
or
the time where we are
spiritually?
living, he tell us that we are going to take the cup from that place. Well, immediately that match come, no, that match reach, no, then Jordan said that he's going to Ghana. Then he go, then he come back with him father. But after we make everything, then he said that, you see this match, we are going to win the match, but the match we were going to win, it will be difficult for us to win that match. Then you see Langabe, me, my mouth will be gone. Then I ask question, oh, father, how can this match make difficult? He said, look, they will show 2 players red card
Against Brazil. So
against Brazil.
you lost hope.
Then I say, oh, Jordan, you want years ago, lost everything. Jordan say, don't worry, last. And so long what the man tell us, everything come inside straight. By the grace of God, we took the cup.
Wow.
With under 20. Well, when Aziz is telling you that there's something inside the football,
It's true.
it's true. Yeah, it's not everything where we are in the system where we can say it.
That's right.
That's in the hair. You understand me?
Wow.
Yes. 2010 we reached Angola. 2010 we reached Angola. The reason why I say some of our big men, they are the one who make. You see, somebody is giving the vibration for the boys. All of a sudden, how do you call it? MPs, how do you call it? How can I use
Politicians.
it? Yeah, MPs, politicians who want Aziz to come and sit here, who don't like Aziz to come and sit here because they give Aziz this position, he pay now. No, we want to make ways and means to come out Aziz. Rashid people. Honorable Rashid Pepu. This man was fantastic with the players all.
Angola.
Angola.
We were there.
That's 2010, I'm telling you.
Yeah, that's
Cabinda.
the 2010.
2010 Angola. The vibration will take go to World Cup 2010.
We should have won that cup.
That's it.
But they took him out before the final, right?
That's it. That's what I'm telling you. We are in the hotel, and the man promised the boys. There's a certain man at Amis may rest perfect peace. He brings some man because Mr. Altman. Anytime I tell the players to play the band as is, the man promised the players $20,000. And when they win, no, they give the money to Rashid people. Where they give to the players. Or the players all the time.
They're happy.
The vibration is moving. All of a sudden, we beat Nigeria. Where we are going to play with Egypt.
Final match.
Final match. We are in the hotel, and the man come there with in friend. He come now, he present the money where he promised the boys that this we beat Nigeria. We won't make you beat Egypt. Well, every player will get $20,000 each. We come and see the players. All of a sudden, the man will talk and say they change Rashid people. Then all the players said that, oh,
So it demoralized them.
I'm telling you.
Do you know why he was changed? Why was Rashid Pelpo removed as the sports minister?
They said, it be sabotage. Your brother says they sabotage your brother. You know, you and I, you know. They sabotage your brother. Don't say, you know.
I'm asking you.
Yao, I'll tell you in this country before we reach Holland. I told that Langa, Yao, this is what is going on. Tell your brother that this is Langa, what I said. If you don't take that, things will fall apart on him. Am I lying?
It's true.
I told you.
And we met and we discussed.
And in room, me and you and your brother in room, the same thing. We are there. We are saying, hey, Yao, tell your brother, fire is coming. If you don't feel quench the fire will burn down.
How were we going to quench this fire when the players were going to go in a boycott?
That time, before the team never started. The team started, as is, the team started, and now with the guys. And I know what is going on. And Ghana here, in your brother, in your room, in your office, I call in and tell Mr. Ankara. I call him Mr. Ankara. This man and this man and this man, they are sabotaging you.
That is who?
But you should mention the name. Yeah?
Nilante van der
No. I call the name for him.
Yeah.
For him, rather.
Are those people politicians?
Yes. You know what he told me? He said, Ulangabe, you see my people, we are NDC people. We are party people. Don't mind if I do something. I say, minister, you go see Pepe.
So these politicians sabotaged their own.
They are sabotage themselves. I'm telling you.
Why?
Because somebody want the position when the person did, he supposed to be there to go and get what the man is. This Brazil program, Yao, do you know that we went to this place, how do you call it? Trinidad and Tobago.
Yeah.
And we agreed. The players all agreed that they will give them $82,000. That's what the players and everybody agreed. If you like, call this man, Honorable, this man, the man who first we did for Medina. Former MP, we did for Medina first time. And this
Mustafa?
No. Oh, this guy, Asari.
Asari
no be Medina.
Yeah.
Where they?
The deputy minister, but then is from Brown.
Edu Asari.
Edu Asari.
Edu Asari.
Edu
Yes.
Asari.
Now it's
Adenta.
Right.
Adenta, very good. Adenta.
So today, can you confidently mention the people who sabotaged the minister? Because it's past.
Oh, yeah, I'll say it. Immediately we reach there, when we reach airport, we reach by Z. The players are demanding the man money. The reason why they pay me, Yao, I don't understand it. They removed the money from this country 25th May. 25th May. How can, as a minister of sports, you know that they removed the money 25th May, and we will leave here 27th, 28th May, and the guys are demanding the money, and somebody come and tell minister that minister they are going to pay the money in their how do you call it, the account for them, and minister is going to say, you know that what these people are saying is a liar. It's a very good liar. It's not possible they can do that thing, but because they won't sabotage minister, and I tell minister this is what I do, they will sabotage you. Your own deputy man self sabotage you.
Who's that?
Yabi.
Really?
Oh, the man.
And the ministers are where?
Oh, he knows it. I told him, Minister, your man, what is going on? If you don't take that, you put you in trouble.
Right.
Can't you see that you went to Parliament, you never mention money, but he went there go and say that this is the money we will send to the work up. Whereby you two, you go there, you say you never say so. The minister said, I say, minister, come and give me the stool. Say, Langa, what you say is correct. What I say, or if I'm lying, tell me.
So let's go to Brazil, because now we've skipped
Yeah.
the money issue that we didn't want to talk about. You brought it, so let's talk about it. Why did the players insist on boycotting, even though they had been spoken to calm down? Why? Because you're very close to them. You're
Sometimes you can fool people at a time, but you cannot fool them all the time. Let me tell you something. Before we went to Germany, 2006, the players demanded the appearance fee, which is $50,000 that time. President Kufuor that time he sent money from Ghana to Ghana embassy at Germany.
How do you know all this?
I know at that time.
Well, the Germany 2006, I can tell you for a fact, but then all of us were together very close to the
Right.
We don't know anything.
So what changed?
Yeah.
Kufuor sent money, even though he never sent all the money to the players, but $50,000, he sent half of the money to the players.
Right.
And they judged him.
That's right.
The same to 2010 in South Africa, Opoku Afriya go and take the money at the Ghana High Commission,
Yes.
Ghana Embassy in South Africa.
May he so rest in peace.
Thank you, which is $75,000. They give him $50,000. And before we came to the castle, before they give the rest of the money to the boy, did you hear anything about that time?
And you see, it's because of the transition.
What?
Let's say before 2006, we were in Egypt. Together.
Before the AFCON, before the World Cup.
Before the World Cup. And their money was given to them. But then even though we have Papa Usa Nkrumah as a sports minister, then Obiamo as a deputy minister. He's doing all the work. It means that there's a collaboration.
That's it.
So let me ask you this. We should absolve the players of any blame.
Yes.
No, the players, why? That is their work. That is what they do. And trust me, this thing has been, that is why I don't agree totally with the former sports minister.
Which one?
Neil van der Poel.
We're moving into too much politics.
Oh, no, this is not politics.
focus-
This is sports.
Right.
We are not doing politics.
Okay, this is a sports.
This is